home delivered fresh meals from Oodee. These are their fresh ingredients, so just put them in the pan and they're ready in 10 minutes. My Oodee meal is from Little Italy and it's creamy chicken fettuccine. So let's get ready to cook. We're gonna put the chicken breast and the Sofrito mix and cook it for 1 minute. That's it? Oh my gosh, this smells so amazing! Next, we have to piece the fettuccine bag and place it on a plate in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Add the fettuccine to the mix. Next, we piece the mushroom sauce bag, place it on a plate, and put in the microwave for 1 minute on high. We've added the creamy mushroom sauce and look how creamy it is. Next, we add a bit of salt and pepper for taste. Yummy! Oh, I love the creamy mushroom sauce. So now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Wow, I'm 8 years old and I can't believe I cooked this delicious meal. So let's try and see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made this in less than 10 minutes. It smells so good. It looks like restaurant quality. If I could cook, you can cook. Oodee, like a foodie, just different. What are you having for dinner tonight? Why didn't you try fresh delicious meals from Oodee? Delivered straight to your door and it's also fresh.